All right, hello guys, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let me take off my earrings first. So excited to share this makeup look with y'all. Okay, right now I am starting with the e.l.f. Jelly Primer. I think it's called the Jelly Pop Primer. I got it from Ulta, but Target sells it as well. And what I do is I just smooth it onto my face, and then I also pat it onto my face as well. And it's this really tacky, sticky texture, but I like it. It's really cool. And it smells good. All right, now I'm going in with the NK Makeup BB Cream in the color Dark Medium. I like this BB cream because I don't know, it almost feels like I'm not even applying foundation on. It also smells, the smell of it is like foundation mixed with Jergens lotion. You know, Jergens lotion has that really peculiar smell or scent to it, and that's what this BB cream smells like to me. But yeah, I apply some of it onto my brush, and then I smooth it all over my face. And I actually start at the bottom half of my face, and then I am going to apply a bit more of foundation, and I'll apply that to the upper half of my face. But I'm making sure I'm getting all of the perimeter of my face, even under my jawline, just so there's no like definitive line that separates my face from my neck. So I like to blend that area in really well with my brush and foundation. And now I am getting another smudge of my foundation, my BB cream, and applying it to the upper half of my face, and making sure I blend it all out, all over my forehead, all throughout my the edges of my hairline, even under my eyes, just to like make a blank canvas. Okay, now I am taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Tan. And I basically, you have to like twist it up for the product to come into the little sponge that they have at the top, and then I just sponge it onto my eye or my under eye area. And then I like to use my e.l.f. concealer brush to basically just blend it all out and put some even on my eyelid, just to make sure I have a blank canvas there as well. And you want to use your concealer, you want it to be a little bit brighter than your skin tone, just so it'll brighten up your face in that area, make you look more awake, more ready to take over and take on the world. Yep, so I am mixing that and blending that all over my face. And I'm taking the time, y'all. I am taking my time blending all of this out, blending this all over the areas that I've applied it, just so there's a smooth transition between my BB cream and my concealer. So that's why I am making sure everything is well blended. Now this time I tried something that I don't try very often, but I put a little concealer above my lip area just to like brighten that up as well, or highlight it, because that area tends to be a little bit darker with my upper lip there. So yeah, that's why I put some there as well. Okay, next up I am taking this Jeffree Star lip liner in the color Dominatrix. It doesn't really, I don't like it as as anything for the lips, but I really like it as an eyebrow pencil. I like the waxiness of it. It really like lays my eyebrows down, and it's almost, to me, the perfect color, the perfect brown that I've always looked for in an eyebrow color. So yeah, I like it. And then I take it and slant it so that I can like get like little brush strokes at the beginning of my eyebrows. And that's what you have here. I'm just blending it all out, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eyebrow. Just fill in my eyebrows. They are a bit, I don't know if they're thin or sparse, but they're definitely not thick. So yeah, you want to apply your eyebrow pencils to thicken up your eyebrows and make your eyebrows more pronounced. I mean, your eyebrows are almost like the the foundation of your face. You need eyebrows, so you want them to be more pronounced than they are if you have like sparse or thin eyebrows. Now if you have thicker eyebrows, then most people who have those normally just get those shaped up. And now I am taking some concealer. This concealer I'm going to use under my eyebrows is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Deep Chestnut. So I'm taking Deep Chestnut and a flat brush, and I am just applying it under my eyebrow, and then I'm blending it down so there will be a smooth transition between that concealer and then my eyeshadow colors that I decide to put on my eyelids. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm applying the concealer with my brush, and it also helps to like maybe you haven't shaped your eyebrows in a while, or maybe you haven't waxed your eyebrows in a while. You can use this concealer to give it a good shape. So that's why I like doing that. Next up, we have the I'm gonna start with a transition color on my eyebrows. I mean, not eyebrows, my eyelids. And I'm using for this for my eyeshadow look, I am using the Makeup Revolution Neon Shadow Palette. I'm gonna show it at the end of this video, but yeah, it is the Neon Shadow Palette in the it's not a color, but it's called the Not a Dream palette, and it's like a neon orange palette. And I'm just applying that to my eyelid as a transition color. I'm using it's almost like a burnt orange type shade, and I am applying that there, just making sure there's a smooth transition there. Put a little color back onto my eyelids so that my eyelids are pronounced. And now I am going to go in with my Colourpop Uh Huh Honey Totally Buggin'. This color is Totally Buggin', and I wanted it to match my mustard sweater that I had on. So my little eyeshadow look that I'm doing here is kind of a play on my outfit that I'm wearing on this day. I have on my mustard sweater with like a red and blue skirt. And so that's why I'm doing the colors that I'm doing on my eyes. So right now I am patting on the yellow shadow, and then I'm blending it up into the transition color to make like this soft blend look. I think they call it soft matte, no, soft glam or soft blend. But yeah, you're just blending the colors. So I pat the color on first, pat it on, pack it on. That's what some makeup artists call it, packing it on, and then I blend it up to the transition color. And I am doing the same thing on the other eye, taking that color and blending it up. Now I am going to take a deeper orange / red color under my eye, and I'm so sorry y'all, this is one of the first installments of this series where I'll be doing my makeup before work. But here I am applying a reddish color under my eye on the almost on the waterline, and I wanted to use that color because of the red in my skirt. So that's what I'm doing now. So sorry that some of it is off of the screen / camera. I will make sure I do better in the next video, but please bear with me. I'm still trying to work out the kinks of recording makeup videos. I really love doing my makeup. I really want to share that love with you guys, but it can be kind of discouraging if you don't have the perfect setting. Okay, now I am taking the Milani Stay Put eyeliner in Keep On Sapphire. That was that blue liner that I just put on my waterline. And now I'm using a brand new mascara, y'all. This mascara is from Essence, and it's called the False Lash Effect Mascara. And I really liked it. This was my first time using it, and I really liked how it lifted my eyelashes very well, and they look very cute and elongated. So I really liked this mascara. I got it from Ulta on sale. All right, next up, I am going to use this Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color medium deep, and I'm just going to pat that onto my BB cream just to mattify that BB cream a little bit so it's not so glossy and dewy. And so that's what I'm doing here with my little powder brush. I am just dusting that powder onto my face, making sure I get all of my areas, especially where makeup tends to crease. I want to get my little laugh lines together. So that's what I'm doing here, making sure I get in those areas. All right, and next up we are going to apply some blush and nose highlight. So I'm going to use the color Neo for the blush from Juvia's Place, the blush palette volume 1. I'm going to use Neo for the blush. That's what I'm using. And then I'm going to take Zara and apply it between my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and then on the tip of my nose as well. So that's what I'm doing. That's the color Zara from Juvia's Place in their blush palette volume 1. Next up, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution matte bronzer in the color medium, and I am going to apply it to the outer perimeters of my face along my hairline, just to give my face some definition and chisel out my cheekbones. Apply a little bit under my cheekbones. And this technique, guys, is for my face shape. Make sure you are following makeup tutorials that are close to your face shape. Also, sometimes I restrict myself from watching skin tones as well. All right, next up, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sunset Aura. It's a loose highlighter in Sunset Aura, but I actually got it in a set. I got these highlighters from TJ Maxx, Anastasia Beverly Hills. They were on sale for like $16.99, and its retail price is $50, y'all, and I got it for $16. Marshalls, not TJ Maxx, Marshalls, in the color Sunset Aura. And now I'm just taking my foundation brush and making sure that it's not too highlighted, you know, blend it in a little bit. And then I realized, oh my gosh, I don't know where my lipstick is, so let me try to go find it. And I'm looking in my purse, trying to find it. Okay, now I found it, but I'm so sorry again. It is off the screen, but I'm using the Ruby Kisses lipstick in Dark Plum Scene as the lip liner, as a dark brown lip liner on my lip. And then I am going to find my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick or liquid lip in Hazelnut Hypnotizer. So they came out with like this little coffee line of Superstay lippies, and I think I got 2 or 3 of them, but this one is the Hazelnut Hypnotizer, and it provides a really peachy nude. I really liked it, y'all. I really liked it. Now I said, okay, now I need an eyeliner, so I used this little blue glitter eyeliner first. It's blue, and it's from NK Makeup as well. That's the same brand that I got my BB cream, and I also got it from the beauty supply store. Then I look and I said, oh my gosh, I need a deeper eyeliner, so I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyeliner in brown, the dark brown one, the liquid eyeliner. I got it from Target, and I'm going to go under that blue. All right, y'all, look at all these brushes I used, and these are the 2 palettes I used. And now I am going to put my earrings back on. It is now time to go teach my classes, so I have to go. I've been watching Glamazon Tay, so y'all gotta excuse me. She is hilarious, so that's what I was watching there. But yeah, gotta put my earrings back on. And now, yeah, I'm just showing you guys my Hazelnut Hypnotizer lippy. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was so much fun recording this. I really, really, really love makeup. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.
Sweetie, you were for the skin. And I was putting you on my face. for some new lashes and lash glue, but I'm not going to use these today. Not today. Do I have space to put them up?